All right, Dave Knight here at Knight Capital Management. Thank you for watching. Thanks for being here. The evil speculator returns. Anyway, welcome to another. I guess what's today? Friday, October 14th, 2011. Have been in our trading room. We've made new account highs in our room, and it's kind of exciting. We started with a $3,000 account balance, and we able to pull in close to 5,000 here since we started September 12th. So um, it's fun. Life is fun. Life is good. Well, always being a trader is always a lot of fun. But one of the why did I pick a certain account balance? Well, $3,000 is the minimum account balance that you can have it in the broker that I use, and not to give out any names or whatnot, but so, and then I thought, well, what's the most volatile market that I like to trade? And that's the crude oil market. So I thought, well, let's use that. And we decided to take on the most volatile market and trade in that market, looking for winning trades or high probability trade setups, HPTs. So in the long run, what we're looking to do and accomplish is to win more than we lose. And well, I would say we have three trading principles, whichever way that camera is right now, and that is trade number or principle number one is cut your losses short. Never know which way the camera is here. Number two, let your profits run, and part three of that is to take profits along the ride. So that's my three trading principles that I follow, and they're common ones out there. You want to cut your losses short. You want to protect your account. So as a small account trader, which we're specializing in our room, small account trader, we're taking our small account balance and we're building it slowly and surely, and we're using one of the Jesse Livermore's theories that once you make a significant gain in your account, you're going to pull some money away from the market and actually physically go to the bank and have them count out hundreds or whatever you want to do with that money, and then you're going to make a decision about, well, I highly recommend you take half of that and put it back into your survival account so that you can continue just in case something bad happens, which in trading can happen at any point in time, especially as a small account trader. I was listening to a really fascinating guy today, and I agree with him wholeheartedly about not risking much of your account and segregating and all the stuff that goes with that. But if you don't have the money to trade, even he admits in the very beginning, what gets me, what I guess kicks my crawl, is that most of the time you hear these traders will talk about that. Well, he started with $2,000. Now obviously he's got $1,000,000 and so forth. So the process of getting from one step to the other, now he's coming from the other side of that fence now, right? He's talking, so now you shouldn't be risking more than 1% per trade, or in his way of looking at it would be, if you have a $15,000 account, you shouldn't be risking $150, or in the ES that would be what, 3 points, $50 a point per trade. That's all fine and dandy when you got big bucks to back it up, but how about us small account traders out there that have to risk more? There's no way that you as a small account trader, in my humble opinion, can risk, well, if you only have $3,000 or $5,000 and you have to, well, let's just take a $5,000 account and you have 1% of that. That's what, $50? That's 1 point. You trade in the ES with 1 point. And now he would say that you don't have enough liquidity to hit, well, most traders will tell you that you don't have enough liquidity in the markets to be able to your account balance isn't high enough, in other words, take advantage of the markets, especially in the futures market and so forth. And I would agree with that for the most part, because 90% of all traders lose in this market, including myself. I put myself in that 90%. I've been there. I've blown out some accounts and so forth. But every trader without exception that starts with nothing had to build and had to take on more than that 1% account loss. So when you hear these traders talk about, oh, you have to have this count and risk capital and so forth, yeah, if you're wealthy and you got your rich uncle over there that lives in Baltimore to give you all that, then good, I mean, great. I mean, why the hell are you trading in the first place? So I guess that's just my little 2 cents, my soapbox that I'm on right now. The current kick that I'm on is, how does a small account trader succeed as a trader? And obviously you have to have reserves of capital to back that up. I believe that is taking, well, it's taking high probability trade setups. That's number one. Then managing your risk in the trade. That's part two. Proper money management while in the trade. Three, knowing your exits, your profit targets, your rabbits. I believe in the concept called the tortoise and the hare. So if you're only trading one contract, how do you go about doing that? Are you going to go after consistent profits, or do you want to let that sucker ride, or do you want to do some kind of something in the middle of that? So sometimes you're going after the big rabbit, other times you're taking the consistent profits, other times you're just looking to get back to break even so that you can move to the next trading day. My advice, as the evil speculator that I am, you're in survival mode as a small account trader. There's no way around it. You're in survival mode. You're trying to protect your account. We have a 21-day trial in our live trading room that we invite you to come in. Right now I don't even have any prices up on our website because frankly I haven't finished doing what I want to get done on that side. So 21 days might turn into the rest of the year for as I know at this point in time. So come on to our trading room. If you're a small account trader out there struggling, come on in and see if we can help you. This is Dave Knight here at Knight Capital Management. Your evil speculator is back once again. Have a great trading day. Have a great weekend. We'll see you in our next video. Bye now.